I tried calling Jehovah, be like man no get service. Devil day on my shoulder.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On this channel we're going to learn how to create a fake virus, but it's not really a fake virus, but a virus that will totally destroy your computer down. So to get started, you need to open Notepad, Windows plus R, type Notepad in and open it. Now here's our Notepad, but before that I'll show you the files so that you can copy it. These are the files. So I want to show you so you see it. Okay. My computer is running slow. Let's do it. Okay. Okay. Let me make it very big. See there. Okay. That's how it is. Okay. This one. So these are the words. You type all this in a notepad. After that, you save it as. For instance, I'll save my danger dots. You need to make the extension dot bat, so dot bat, and I'm going to save it on the desktop so that you see it and select all files on this file, save as type all files, and then you click on save. Now you'll see the file on your desktop, the bat file on your desktop. Now I'll not open it because to be very stupid if you open it, but a lot of people when they see this they get to notice a bat file, so they'll right click here and just rush to edit and see the kinds of file in it, so they'll get to know it's a barrel, so no, they don't open it, they just go straight on and delete it. So you're going to get this converter that converts a bat file into .exe file. So I'll leave this in the description so that you can get a copy of it. So if I open this converter and then you need to select the file that you want to convert, the bat file. So I'm converting this danger file, so I'll go straight to my desktop and I'll select the danger. Okay, now you can include or remove something from and also the version information. You can add an icon, so let me go straight and get an icon for it. Now I think I'm not having an icon, but I'm using the example icon for this. So come here, select it. Now after that you compile, also you can come here and edit. You see the codes here, you can come here, edit or whatever you want, and you save it. Now compile it. See, it is now compiling. You have to be patient. Now if it's done, you see it on the desktop and you exit this, and then this is the file. This is the file. So um it not be helpful if you open this file on your computer, but this is for just educational purpose, so you need to be very. That's it for this video. Please like and comment. For any question you can give it to me in the comments area. Subscribe if you're a new your streamer. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.